Let's take the shortcut QuickBooks Online has provided so we can get this done quickly and efficiently. Go to the plus new button and select Receive Payment. Select the customer from the drop-down. In this case, it's for Chris's first check from Bill Gallinger. Notice how you see a list of any outstanding invoices for Bill Gallinger. Change the payment date to today. Select a payment method. In this case, it's a check. Enter a reference number 1234. Make sure the deposit to account is undeposited funds. Tip: this payment is in response to an invoice, so we have another step to do, which is to match the payment to the invoice. Check the box next to invoice 1001 to apply the payment to the invoice. It's the one for $1,224.69. Select Save and New. The next received payment is for Jennifer Martin, so select her from the Customer drop-down menu. Once again, the active invoice appears and we can select it. Change the payment date to today's date. Select a payment method. In this case, it's a check. Enter a reference number 12345. Make sure the deposit to account is undeposited funds. Check the box next to Invoice 2 to apply the payment to the invoice. It's the one for $533.13. Select Save and Close.